The automotive industry has come a long way since Henry Ford revolutionized car manufacturing with his assembly line. Today, we're witnessing another revolution with companies like Tesla, Google, and Waymo pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive technology. But behind every successful dealership lies a crucial operation that often goes unnoticed: the parts department. Understanding this behind-the-scenes operation is essential for anyone looking to succeed in the automotive industry. The parts department serves two fundamental roles that are vital to dealership success. First, it ensures a stable and reliable supply of parts for all service operations. Second, it contributes significantly to the company's overall profitability. When managed effectively, the parts department becomes a cornerstone of customer retention and dealership stability, creating a sustainable cycle of success. Let's dive deeper into the dual role of the parts department. On one side, we have supplyability, the ability to provide the right parts at the right time, ensuring smooth service operations. On the other side, we have profitability, generating revenue through efficient inventory management and sales. These two aspects work hand in hand, creating a foundation for long-term success and customer satisfaction. Consider how the parts department fits into the larger picture of dealership operations. When a customer purchases a vehicle, their satisfaction doesn't end at the sale. It continues through every service interaction, where reliable parts availability plays a crucial role. Good mechanics combined with dependable parts supply create satisfied customers who are more likely to return for future purchases and services. Modern inventory control is at the heart of successful parts management. It's not just about having parts on hand, it's about having the right parts in the right quantities. Today's technology has transformed how we track and manage inventory, allowing for more precise control and better decision-making. Understanding what to stock and how much to stock is crucial for maintaining optimal inventory levels. The process of handling parts, from ordering to delivery, requires meticulous attention to detail. Each step in the receiving process must be carefully executed, from accurate part number verification to proper quantity checks. This systematic approach ensures that the right parts are available when needed, minimizing errors and maximizing efficiency. Effective stock management relies on precise calculations and careful monitoring. Using standard stock quantity formulas and order quantity management techniques helps maintain optimal inventory levels. The dealer management system, DMS, plays a crucial role here, providing real-time data that helps in making informed decisions about stock levels and ordering patterns. Success in parts sales requires a strategic approach to promotion. This includes conducting thorough market research and analysis to understand customer needs and market trends. Planning effective sales campaigns and utilizing various promotional tools can help increase parts department revenue while meeting customer demands. Building and maintaining strong relationships with fleet users and local garages is essential for business growth. These field activities create opportunities for business development and help retain customers. Regular interaction with clients helps understand their needs better and provides opportunities to showcase new products and services. Tracking key performance indicators is crucial for measuring success in the parts department. Important metrics include sales amounts, gross profit margins, service rates, and stock months. Regular monitoring of these KPIs helps identify areas for improvement and ensures the department stays on track to meet its goals. The transition from manual systems to modern dealer management systems has revolutionized inventory management. Proper parameter setting and regular monitoring through these systems ensure optimal inventory levels and efficient operations. This technological evolution has made it possible to manage larger inventories with greater accuracy and less effort. To implement these strategies successfully, focus on creating detailed action plans, conducting regular staff meetings, maintaining consistent customer visits, and performing competitive analysis. Remember, success in parts management comes from combining these best practices with continuous monitoring and adjustment. Take these insights and apply them to your operations to create a more efficient and profitable parts department. A more in-depth analysis can be found in the ebook The Parts Manager Guide. The links are in the description box.